Hey, I'm Jana from Phocas. Do you wonder if your cross-functional teams truly understand the numbers you share? Worse still, are they even reading your reports? Using Phocas, I'm going to show you how easy it is to tell your data insights story, helping non-financial people become more engaged in performance. Let's start by looking at our profit and loss statement. I can see trends at a glance. These spark lines visualize this very effectively. Let's see if anything stands out. Looks like the finance team have been doing some spending. It's unusual for them to be spending money like this. Let's investigate. The spark line for the previous year shows a flat line, which is what I would expect from the finance team. However, this year, there was a $7,000 spend in August. Next, I'll check if this amount was budgeted, which I can see that it was. Although, they've still spent a little bit more than the budgeted amount. Let's take a look at some other visualizations in Phocas. For my 3 subsidiaries, I'd like to share their current revenue contributions in comparison to each other and compared to last year. This waterfall chart makes it easy for management teams to visualize their respective contributions compared to last year, and to identify if their contribution has increased. I can add labels to the waterfall chart to highlight the percentage change for each division. We can see here that the difference in the Australian subsidiary contribution has increased the most. Since Australia has been a bit of a star performer, I just want a simple card that shows their improved contribution from last year. I can apply a color to the information based on rules. Color coding helps you quickly identify if a value is good or bad. Wait a minute, Australia's doing great. That's better. With Phocas, you have access to unlimited dashboards, charts, and various visualization tools. Plus, they're super easy to customize to suit your intended audience, ensuring your numbers are always understood. Are you interested in hearing more about what Phocas financial statements can do for your business? Talk to our team or request a customized demo today.